Hello, welcome. Let's look at this question. The process of extraction of iron from its ore is option A, decomposition, B, oxidation, C, reduction, D, sublimation. The answer to this question is actually reduction. Now, why is it reduction? It is reduction because iron ore is reduced to iron by carbon 4 oxide or carbon 2 oxide actually, formed by the action of carbon 4 oxide on white coke in the extraction of iron from its ore. So the answer is actually reduction, and it can be found in Iron and its compounds chapter in your chemistry textbook. So we know that iron ore is reduced to iron by CO, which is carbon monoxide. And this CO is actually formed. This is the process of extraction of iron from its ore. This CO is formed by the action of CO2, which is carbon 4 oxide, on white coke, in the extraction of iron from its ore. So the action is actually a reduction, and this can be found in the chapter for iron and its compounds in your chemistry textbook. So when you have your furnace, so inside the furnace there are reactions going on. So when you have your CO2 reacting with white coke, you are going to get what we call CO. And it is this CO that will react with your iron oxide, reducing it. This iron oxide is actually called hematite, that will now reduce it to ordinary iron. So that's how you go about getting your iron, because of the reduction of this iron ore, removing this oxygen to give you only iron, which is what you actually need. So this reduction of this iron ore to ordinary iron is what we call, is how we go about extracting our iron from its ore. And that's why the correct option here is reduction. So please take note of this. This is what happens in this furnace. Okay, so there is a reaction between CO2 and white coke to give CO. So this CO reduces your iron ore to ordinary iron. So that's why that is the answer. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button by this side of your screen. Support us in any way that you can. Thank you, and God bless you. Also know that the ore for iron is hematite. Very, very important. The name of this iron ore, this very iron ore, the name is hematite. So take note. So this iron ore is reduced by CO, which is carbon monoxide, to ordinary iron. And how do you get this CO that reduces it? You get it by the action of CO2, which is carbon 4 oxide, on white coke to get this CO. So this CO reduces this to iron. So take note, that is what actually happens. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you and God bless you.